Oh, yeah, Monday. I hope you are ready for a great week of programming. I'm Coach Skip, and I have your Burn at Home workout for Monday afternoon. So we got a lot of great stuff going on here at Wildfire. We just finished a few heats at 19.2. We've got a few more to go. I figured I'd get this in now, though. So if you're just starting a workout program, this is a great way to get that body moving. If you just need something to keep it going, awesome. This is a great way to do that when you can't get into the gym. And of course, if you just want to add a little spice to your training, these body weight exercises will really help add strength, stability, coordination, stamina, all those things to your fitness routine. So for the warm-up today, we've got 4 rounds of 20 jumping jacks, 20 jumping jacks, 10 flutter kicks, 10 plank shoulder taps, and 5 no push-up burpees. So on the jumping jacks, you're starting loud and proud, getting those arms and legs moving together. If you want to make it a little bit more challenging, clap behind the back each time for a little bit more range of motion. And if you need to take the impact out of it, just step to the sides each and every time. After your 20 jumping jacks, you're going to do 10 flutter kicks. So flat on your back, keep those toes pointed, and just keep those legs moving for those 10 reps. Right plus left equals 1. If you need to put your hands underneath your hips for a little bit more stability, that's totally fine. You can also use the bench if you have trouble getting all the way down to the ground for that same flutter kick on the bench instead. After your 10 flutter kicks, you're going to 10 plank shoulder taps. So hands right underneath the shoulders and just reach up and touch the opposite shoulder each time. If you need to do this off the knees, right in here. And if you need to do it off of a bench, either from the toes or from the knees, right here. Just make sure you're still getting some kind of a lean there and get some pressure on the shoulders if you're doing it off of a bench there. After your 10 plank shoulder taps, you've got 5 no push-up burpees. So you're going right to the ground, jumping those feet back, right back up, and then jump at the top. Again, right down, jump back, jump up, and then right to the top. You can also do this with a step back where you get down, step back, step up, and then jump, or from a platform, either the jump or the step. And right up. So 4 rounds, 20 jumping jacks, 10 flutter kicks, 10 plank shoulder taps, and 5 no push-up burpees. After you get done with that, get a little stretch in, get some water, get ready for this workout. For the workout today, we're going to be doing a 14-minute AMRAP, as many rounds as possible in 14 minutes of 5 times through a lunge squat complex, which I will explain. Then you've got 10 push-ups and 15 air squats. So the push-ups and air squats, fairly simple exercises. 10 of the push-ups, 10 of the push-ups, 15 of the sit-ups. 5 times through the lunge complex, 10 push-ups, and then 15 sit-ups. So those push-ups and sit-ups are fairly simple exercises. Then for the lunge complex, what we're going to be doing 5 reps of that, and you're going to be doing a lunge, and then a squat every time. Lunge, lunge, squat. Get that speed going for more agility and coordination. If you're not able to get quite all the way down on the lunge, but you're still able to get some good range of motion, that's great. That's what we're looking for. If you need to use a step or a platform instead, that's okay. And just step up with the other leg, and then squat. And same thing, if you need to use a step and a chair, just step up, and then squat to that chair and right up, or hold on to something for that squat. Now, if that back and forth is a challenge, you can do all 5 lunges. Just remember, right plus left equals 1, and then do 5 air squats, and that's another good alternative towards doing this exercise. After you're 5 times through that lunge squat complex, you're going to be doing 10 push-ups. So from hands right underneath your shoulders, back is flat, you're going all the way down to the ground and then pushing away at the top. And get that full range of motion every time. If you need to go from the knees, that's okay. And of course, the platform, same thing. Just get as low as you can. The higher the platform, the less the resistance, the easier that exercise is going to be. And finally, we're finishing up with 15 sit-ups. So butterfly those feet, go shoulders all the way back down to the ground, and throw those arms forward to help give you some momentum to get up to the top. And just keep that momentum going the entire time. If you need to, if you can have somebody hold your feet or tuck them underneath the front of the couch, that'll actually help keep your legs and butt down and make it easier to get up to the top. Or you can grab a hold of something, a small weight, a can of soup, whatever you've got around, and that throwing that forward will give you some momentum to get all the way up to the top. You can also do this from a seated position where you are bringing your knees into your chest every time, right in there. So one more time, 14-minute AMRAP, 5 times through that lunge squat complex. Again, it's lunge, lunge, and then squat. Then you're going to do 10 push-ups and 15 sit-ups. You should be able to rack up some pretty good rounds during this workout. Once you get a round or 2 in through that lunge squat complex, you should get that coordination and agility down and help keep you going through the rest of it. So have fun with this one, guys. Share it with friends, share it with loved ones. Everybody deserves to be able to get fit, get in shape, and have fun doing it. So, and we're here to help. So thanks a lot, guys. Coach Skip signing off, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.